So our intention really with this video series is we want to cut through some of the noise and the marketing and the hype and a lot of the misconceptions surrounding orthodontic treatment, and particularly Invisalign brand clear aligner orthodontic treatment. We're going to try to clarify some things for you. We're going to try to give you some great information so you can make an informed choice. It's your teeth, it's your smile, it's your health. You should be able to make an informed decision, an informed choice on what to do with that. And that's our intent with this, is we're going to try and educate you on how to get the most value from your Invisalign orthodontic treatment, and we hope you enjoy it. Hey guys, Dr. Skopek, Skopek Orthodontics, and today we're kicking off our video series on getting the most value from your Invisalign treatment. Now, stay tuned because we're going to do about a video a month over the next year or so, and we're going to dive deeper into some of the specifics of Invisalign, some of the advantages, some of the misconceptions, some of the realities of it. And I want to thank all of you guys who have subscribed to our channel, who have watched and commented on the videos. And if you haven't subscribed to the YouTube channel yet, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and we'll keep you posted. Now, I'm an orthodontic specialist, which means that I go to dental school. I became a dentist. I am a dentist. And then we go on for a few years to specialize, kind of like a physician would go on and become a cardiologist or a surgeon. We all go to dental school first and then choose to specialize if we want to. And I chose to specialize, became an orthodontist, which means all I do all day, every day is orthodontics. Now, I've always been very interested in, very involved with Invisalign, clear aligners. This is a picture of me in the paper 20 years ago. That's actually what I looked like 20 years ago. I was in the business section of the paper because I was one of the first orthodontists in the Chicagoland area to start offering Invisalign brand clear aligners. And I've seen a big evolution of Invisalign. 20 years ago, it was a very mediocre tool that could provide very mediocre results on limited cases. Today, it's been engineered and the technology is improved, and it is now a tool that we can use to straighten teeth to the level of any other tool we use to straighten teeth. But it is important to realize that Invisalign is a tool that a trained orthodontist uses. Now, other tools we use, braces. We've used braces forever. They work awesome. They give you a great smile. They give you a great bite. They give you a healthy position of your teeth. They work awesome. Clear aligners. These happen to be Invisalign brand clear aligners, which is my brand of choice. Clear aligners are a tool just like the braces are. They're designed by a trained doc to move the teeth to a desired position with desired biomechanics, healthy forces, healthy movements to get a stable, healthy bite and to get an aesthetic smile. The doctor you choose matters when you use these tools, whether it's the braces, whether it's the aligners. Now here's another tool we have. Now we don't use this to straighten your teeth, but this is a tool. And in the hands of a trained carpenter, this hammer can drive a nail into the wall. In the hands of an untrained person, they might grab it this way and try to swing the handle like that. It doesn't work so well. So the hammer, the braces, and the Invisalign are all just tools, and the doctor you choose matters when you choose any type of orthodontic treatment, whether it be with braces or whether it be with aligners. So every month, we're going to come out with a new topic and a new video. We're going to go through some of the advantages of Invisalign, such as it's easier to clean your teeth than braces, it's more comfortable, it's more aesthetic, there's less food restrictions. We're also going to go through some of the realities, like you have to wear it 22 hours a day. You have to be careful with them. You can't break them. We're going to do a whole, probably several videos on remote monitoring. A couple years ago, we started monitoring people remotely. We use what we call Skopek Remote, which uses dental monitoring technology, it's an awesome app that directs you on how to scan your teeth with your phone once a week. We monitor your treatment once a week without you coming into the office. People have loved it because you don't take off work, you don't take off school, we don't see you nearly as much as we used to in the office. And now after the pandemic, it's really been wonderful because people just can't come in as much. So we're gonna do a whole couple of videos on Skopek Remote and the advantages of that. And it's wonderful when combined with the Invisalign system. Treatment planning efficiency for me with the whole digital system of Invisalign is so much more precise than it is with braces and wires. Traditionally, as orthodontists, we adjust wires and braces in the mouth. It takes us so much time, and you're in the chair so long. Most of my job now as an orthodontist is quite honestly done on a computer, on a laptop. And I'm prescribing tooth movements, I'm prescribing the biomechanics, I'm prescribing where they go so they fit together, I'm prescribing where they go so they make a nice aesthetic smile. And most of my work is done in the digital world now, which is much more precise than anything I could ever do with braces and a wire in the mouth. We're also going to talk about some things that are probably going to be of interest to the engineers out there and the more technical people. We're going to talk about jaw joints, jaw joint health. We're going to talk about some growth and development. We're going to talk about some bone biology and tooth movement. We're going to talk about how the top and the bottom need to fit together. And the fit of your teeth and the fit of your jaw joint is critical to a long, healthy result. And that takes a lot of work and that takes a lot of training. So again, choose your doctor wisely. We're also going to talk about the art and the science of orthodontics. It's a phenomenal profession, and I love what I do so much because there is a lot of science involved in how we move teeth through bone, but there's also a lot of art in how that smile fits your face. And everybody's different. Everybody has a different size and thickness to their lips, a different size of their nose, a different size of their chin, and we custom design every smile to fit every face individually. And again, in a digital world, when I can do this with Invisalign on a computer, it's so much more precise and so much more accurate. So stay tuned. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't. We'll be putting out a video every month or so, and we're gonna go through a lot of these topics with Invisalign treatment. In 20 years now, I've become almost 90% clear aligner orthodontics versus braces and wires. And it's changed my life and it's changed our patient's life. Invisalign brand clear aligner orthodontics is a completely different experience than braces and wires orthodontics. And once it was engineered to a point where we could achieve the same or better result as we could in braces, that's why we're 90% Invisalign clear aligner orthodontics now. So stay tuned to our YouTube channel. Subscribe if you haven't. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.